Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start linear equation, that is chapter 5 of grade 6, and it's page number 117 of your book. So before starting linear equation, I want to tell you something, that in these type of question we always try to prove that left hand side is equal to the right hand side, and for proving these aspect we have to do certain actions, like we have to add something. If we are going to add something on the left hand side, we have to add the same thing on the right hand side. If we are going to subtract something from the left hand side, we have to subtract from both the sides. If we are multiplying, then we have to multiply on both sides. If we are dividing, then we have to divide on both sides. Okay, we can't take any action on a single side. Whatever we have to take on both the sides. This is the basic for solving these questions. So now we are going to start question number 1, part A. It's x plus 8 is equal to 15. So basically what we have to do, we have to find out the value for x. So what we are going to do, x, now we have to do something that this 8 becomes 0, so that its effect from the left hand side will become nullify, so that we get the value for x. So plus 8, then what we have to do to nullify this plus 8, we will subtract 8 from this side. So I told you whatever we did here, we have to do on the right hand side as well. So the same thing we will do on the right hand side, subtract 8. Okay, you can even write here subtract 8 from both sides like this, subtract 8 from both sides. So when you subtract 8, this 8 and this 8 will cut each other. Here left alone x. So x, 15 minus 8. So when you subtract 8 from 15, what will you get? You will get 7. So x is equal to 7. So students, you can check your answer, either you are right or wrong. Now we have the value for x is 7. If you want to check this thing, that you are right or wrong, what you can do, you can put the value of x in the original equation is equal to 15. So when you will add 7 plus 8 is equal to 15, 7 plus 8 is equal to what? Again 15. So it will become is equal to this. So mean left hand side is equal to right hand side. This is proved, so that it proves this thing, that we find out the right value for the x, and x is equal to 7. So now we'll start B part. X plus 9 is equal to minus 5. So again we have to find only x here. So here is plus 9. What we have to do, we have to subtract 9 from both sides. So when you subtract plus 9, minus 9, minus 5 and minus 9. So it will, these two cancel each other. What left? X is equal to this, minus minus, minus, and 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. So it will become minus 14. So if you will put the value again, this is the value that we have find out. Okay, now x is equal to minus 14 plus 9 is equal to minus 5. I am using this equation, and then what will be the answer? Minus 14 plus 9, the answer will be minus 5, and here is also minus 5. So these two left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So this thing proves that x is equal to minus 14 is the correct value for the x.